So we're gonna find out which one of these splashes more. We're gonna start with Lightning McQueen and red. Okay, which one's gonna splash more? Lightning McQueen or red?
Did red splash more?
I think red splashed more. Okay, how about the cars? This car, the one with the flames, or the regular car? Oh, that was a big splash. Which one did more?
I think both of them.
Both of them were equal? Okay, how about the Megalodons? Which one's gonna splash more? Oh, that was a big splash. Whoa! I think the second one did more.
The third one, the gray one?
Yeah, the gray one splashed more.